Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone and OS, so you choose the correct menu. Android versus iOS matters. Once done, make a quick backup of the wallpaper photo to cloud or an album. This prevents accidental loss. Now open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper, or open the Photos app and find the image you want removed. You do this first because changing from the source is faster than hunting through launchers or widgets later. Proceed to the Wallpaper control panel. You now remove the image itself. In Settings Wallpaper, tap the current preview and pick Remove, Set Default, or a neutral image. If the photo came from Photos, open the image, tap the menu or Share/Options, then choose Wallpaper Settings and replace or clear it. For custom launchers or live wallpapers, open that app settings and switch to a built-in wallpaper or disable the live effect. This ensures the source file is no longer applied. Make sure to finish by checking both home and lock screens to ensure the photo is gone. If it still appears, restart the phone to refresh the UI. You should then set a new wallpaper or choose System Default so the removed file is not reapplied. If the image stubbornly returns, clear the launcher or wallpaper app cache, and if needed, clear app data for the Photos or Gallery app. This often removes cached thumbnails that keep old wallpapers visible. After that, reapply your chosen wallpaper and confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.